Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakoras Moments and today we can discuss about which connection is better for your Xbox controller when you use it with your PC. Is it with Bluetooth or maybe with Xbox wireless adapter? I made a separate detailed video about both connection, how to set it up with a Bluetooth and how to set it up with a wireless adapter. So if you have any question about how to set up your controller with one of these methods, you can find those videos in the description below. After testing both methods with my Xbox Series XS controller for a couple months now, I believe now it's time to talk about which connection is better. Is it Bluetooth or with Xbox wireless adapter? First, I would like to admit that even having the Xbox wireless adapter here, I just use it maybe 3-4 times just for the purpose of checking it, or just for the purpose to make these videos, because I wanted to share with you which connection is better. So now you'll think, why? Is anything wrong with the Xbox wireless adapter? No, of course not. Xbox wireless adapter is a very good device, special made to connect your Xbox controller with your PC and provide you with stable and fast connection so you can enjoy your gaming. And it actually will give you some extra benefits comparing to the Bluetooth method. So if it's so good, why I didn't use my Xbox wireless adapter? In order for you to understand, let me address what are the benefits using the Xbox wireless adapter over the Bluetooth method. First, we will need to agree that the wireless adapter is the fastest connection here, as it's the whole small device dedicated to keep the connection between our Xbox controller and our PC strong and stable. And I don't know how far you're planning to sit from your device, but this definitely has the biggest range. With the Xbox wireless adapter, you will be able to connect up to 8 controllers to the same device using only one Xbox wireless adapter and play co-op with your friends. With the Xbox wireless adapter, you'll be able to connect your headset straight to your controller and hear the sound. This is something that you cannot do with the Bluetooth method. And last, with the Xbox wireless adapter, you'll be able to control your settings from the Xbox app. All those things that I mentioned right now, you can do them with the Xbox wireless adapter and not with the Bluetooth method. And I also have a couple comments telling me about disconnection issues with the Bluetooth method, some lag, and not performing well with couple games. So by telling you all this, I think it makes it clear that the wireless adapter is much better than the Bluetooth connection. So why I'm not using it? The simple answer is that I don't even need those extra benefits that the Xbox wireless adapter has over the Bluetooth method. And my system don't have any disconnection or any lag using it so far. Also, I don't even use the Xbox app. I don't need to connect my headset to the controller. I prefer to plug it in straight to the PC. I don't need to connect more controllers than one to play co-op with my friends, as I don't have friends. I'm just kidding. Partially. And the other thing, that the wireless adapter is faster than the Bluetooth method. Yes, for sure, it is faster, but it's gonna be like 3 to 5 milliseconds, which doesn't make any difference for a regular player like me and probably you, the most players out there. If you're going for gaming tournaments or something like that, competitive gaming, then definitely you will not be asking about wireless adapter and Bluetooth. You will go wired with cable, connect your controller with a cable to your PC. This is the fastest. So yeah, after all, even if I have the Xbox wireless adapter, I'm still choosing to connect my Xbox Series XS controller via Bluetooth with my PC and keeping the Xbox wireless adapter in the box inside, deep in the basement. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not keeping it in the basement, I'm keeping it here, and I'm still choosing not to use it, guys, as my Bluetooth method works perfectly with my controller. It's fast, it's reliable until now. I didn't have any disconnection issue, maybe only when the battery dies, nothing else. So, but for me it's working perfectly fine. And this thing actually will take you, will use a slot of your USB ports on your PC. I'm using a laptop and I'm using every USB port, so I really need the USB ports. So that's why I'm choosing not to use it, and I don't really need these extra benefits that these things gives you. But I'm keeping it here just in case, of course. But your case is different. If you're facing any issue with the Bluetooth method, definitely go with a wireless adapter. This is gonna solve any disconnection or any lag that you may facing, because maybe your PC don't have a good strong Bluetooth connection. You never know, right? It depends on the PC also. So this is up to you which you prefer. So let me know in the comments section below. Alright, and I hope I helped you with this video and I didn't confuse you, but at the end I think it's clear that the Xbox wireless adapter is definitely 100% better connection than the Bluetooth. But at the end, if you don't need those extra benefits and your Bluetooth connection works perfectly fine like mine, then maybe you can save some money and don't spend on things that you don't need. Anyway guys, let me know what you think and which method do you prefer to use with your Xbox controller. If you're facing some issues with one of these methods, let us know in the comment section below, or maybe someone have a solution, or maybe you have the solution, so let's make a discussion there down. Alright, so thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna see you in the next one.